In today's tutorial, I'm going to be looking at how to stitch a split stitch. So here I've got some embroidery thread. I've got all 6 strands of embroidery thread with a small knot in the end, and we have an embroidery hoop with some fabric in. To get started, we're going to push the needle up from the back of the fabric, and we're going to pull that through. We're going to go back down into the material to make our first stitch. Then we're going to do the next stitch by coming up a short way. Don't need to do a really long stitch, it just needs to be a little short one, and we're going to come up the material. And then now we're going to stitch backwards, and we're going to stitch halfway through the first stitch and just go through the middle. And then we are going to pull that, and then again we're going to come up the material a short way away from the edge of the stitch here, and we're going to come up like so, and again we're going to go down the centre of the stitch before. Again we're just going to pop up there. This is a really beautiful stitch, I think, and makes your embroidery look really decorative. And then that is the basis of the stitch, and we're just going to keep going along. And then we just need to make sure that we're just not doing really long stitches, and that we're going down the centre of the stitch before to make it look like it's a little split. That is how you achieve a split stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.